Tunes from 1910 Ismat by Page. Contrables from 1996 Ismat by Indiana. Bluey from 1998 Ismat by Warner Bros. Audio Packer from 1920 Ismat by Pethe. SpongeBob SquarePants from 1927 Ismat by Pethe. Captain Underpants from 1968 Ismat by Disney Junior. Shrek from 1904 Ismat by Pethe. Dogeman from 1952 Ismat by Pixar. BFDI from 1988 Ismat by Netala Noemi Beatista. Scooby Doo from 1925 Ismat by Nicocado Focado.
These openings are fake. Looney Tunes came out 1930 not 1910, it's Warner Bros. Not Pathé. Country Balls came out 2010 not 1996, it's on YouTube not Indiana. Indiana is a US state, not a country and company. Bluey came out 2018 not 1998, it's Leto Studios not Warner Bros. Woody Woodpecker came out 1941 not 1920, it's Universal Studios not Pathé. SpongeBob SquarePants came out 1999 not 1927, it's Nickelodeon not Pathé. Captain Underpants came out 2017 not 1968, it's DreamWorks not Disney. DreamWorks didn't exist after 1994. Shrek came out 2001 not 1904, it's DreamWorks not Pathé. DreamWorks didn't exist until 1994. Dogman came out 2025 not 1952, it's DreamWorks not Pixar. Pixar didn't exist until 1984, DreamWorks didn't exist until 1994. VD came out 2010 not 1988, it's Jack and Jellify not Natalia Noemi Bautista. Natalia didn't born until 2010. Scooby-Doo came out 1969 not 1925, it's Warner Bros. Not Pathé. You were grounded until Among Us the movie comes out.
Washington, Arizona.